Hello everyone, good morning.
Ma'am, good morning.
Ma'am, good morning.
How are you all?
We are fine, ma'am. And what about
Fine,
you?
ma'am. And what about you?
I'm also fine, beta. Thank you. Thank you, and I welcome you in this session. Today we will
Thank
discuss
you,
the
ma'am.
exercises from chapter number 4. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Chapter number 4 is very interesting, humorous poem, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you
Yes,
tell
ma'am.
me what is the name of the poem, Gaurav?
In the duck and the kangaroo.
The duck and the kangaroo. Okay. So, who will tell me the theme of this poem? Abhishek?
And the theme of this poem is that how the big creature make friend to the small creature and they become happy and they are also said to be the happiest creature in the world.
Yes, means we saw in this poem that how a small creature should be friend of a big creature, है ना? And this poem refers that we also should respect all the creatures and we are equal and we are the creation of God, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I'm going to share a book. Who is the main character of this poem? Kavanshu on the mic.
Main character of this poem.
Who is the
Ma'am, duck and kangaroo.
duck and kangaroo both? Muskan, what do you think?
Ma'am, duck and kangaroo.
Duck and kangaroo both are the character of this poem. They talk to each other, है ना?
Yes,
And we saw
ma'am.
that this poem is depend on the wishes also, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
किसकी विश यहाँ पे शो की गई है? खुशी, you tell.
Duck.
Duck की wish. What is the wish of duck?
Ma'am, to walk, to walk, we can.
Okay, Utkarsh beta, you tell.
Ma'am, to walk across the world. मैम डक की विश यह है कि the duck walk all the words.
The duck want to travel to all the worlds, है ना? Akhilendra, what do you think, beta? On the mic. Yes, tell. What did the duck want to do? प्राची प्राची to be connected नहीं है. Nisi,
To walk the world.
walk the word, okay? Shreya,
Ma'am, to travel the world.
to travel the world. Okay. Who is the author of this poem?
Edward Lear.
Edward Lear. Okay, I think सभी को यस बेटा, आई थिंक पोएम सभी को अच्छे से रिवाइज है, सभी को सारी चीजें थीम समझ में आ गया होगा, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So now
ma'am.
we will discuss on the exercises. The first question is, how was the duck's life when the poem began? And why? How was the duck's life when the poem began? Gaurav, on the mic.
When the duck's life was very bored when the poem starts
Why?
because she wants to travel all the world and she was only in the nasty pond.
Okay. Muskan,
Ma'am, the duck's life was very boring in the dirty pond because she always live in the pond and never go for the walks. So she want to travel across the world.
Okay, Abhishek, what do you think?
And the duck's life was very full of bore when the poem began because the duck never go out from the pond and the pond was also very dirty or nasty.
Okay. Prachi?
Life was very good because they are very in a pond.
Okay. Kavanshu, what do you think?
Ma'am, the duck life is boring because ma'am, the duck life is boring because he is only he is only in water.
The duck was very sad, and when the poem began, we saw the duck was feeling bored. She want to go somewhere else. है ना? She want to travel across the world. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question is, what does the duck want most of all in the first stanza? What does the duck want most of all in the first stanza? Does it want the same things the second stanza? Who will give the answer? First of all, we have to look the first stanza of this poem, and thereafter also we have to check the second stanza of the poem. And now we have to compare two stanzas to find the answer. स्टेंजा नंबर फर्स्ट में डक क्या चाहती है एंड स्टेंजा नंबर सेकंड में डक क्या चाहती है. ओके?
Yes, ma'am.
लुक एवरीवन, चलिए मैं पोएम में दिखाती हूँ. स्टेंजा नंबर 1. Said the duck to the kangaroo, good gracious, how you hop over the field and the water too, as if you never would stop. My life is a bore in this nasty pond, and I long to go out in the world beyond. I wish I could hop like you, said the duck to the kangaroo. तो इस स्टैंजा में आपने क्या देखा? क्या कहना चाह रही है डक? Who will tell me, Abhishek?
Ma'am, in the first stanza, the duck want to say to the kangaroo that she is very bored from her life and be living in the nasty pond and want to go out the water and wish to hope like the kangaroo.
Okay. Shreya, what do you think?
Ma'am, in the first stanza, duck want to travel the world because she was very bored in that nasty pond, so she is requesting to the kangaroo.
Yes, okay. Utkarsh Pitatel, what do you think?
Ma'am, in the first stanza, the duck want to travel across the world to like kangaroo, and the second stanza, she said to kangaroo that will sit quietly and say only quack. She said that we will go over the land sea too.
Okay. We find the first stanza. The duck is requesting to the kangaroo, है ना? That he would take him her somewhere else. And the first stanza also shows the boring life of the duck, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
And look at the second stanza. Please give me a ride on your back, said the duck to the kangaroo. I would sit quite still and say nothing but quack the whole of the long day through, and we'd go to the deep and the jelly bolly over the land, over the sea. Please take me to ride. Oh, do, said the duck to the kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
So, what is describing in the stanza number 2? Prachi? In the second stanza, requesting kangaroo to first the word. Okay, Khushi, what do you think? What is describing in the second stanza number second?
The second stanza, she said to kangaroo that I will set quality and say only quack. She said that we will go over the land and see too.
Okay. Abhishek, what do you think?
I'm in the first stanza, the duck want to go out in the world beyond all and wish to hope like the kangaroo. And in second stanza, the duck saying to the kangaroo that she will sit on the back quietly but she quack and requesting to go on ride.
Tanveer, you tell. Tanveer, why are you looking? I'm seeing you. You tell the answer. तनवीर को सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है आई थिंक यू टेल द आंसर तनवीर
Yes, ma'am.
टेल द आंसर सेकंड स्टैंजा में डक क्या बोल रही है
In the second stanza, the duck is saying to the kangaroo to go in the world and enjoy the nature because the duck was bored in the nesty pond.
Okay, so we saw in the first stanza, the duck is expressing her wish. अपनी wish बता रही है and she is describing her boring life. है ना कि वो अपनी इस pond की life में कैसे बोर हो गई है ना? And
Yes, ma'am.
in the second stanza, she is requesting to the kangaroo that he would take her somewhere else. He would take her for traveling. है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So question क्या है बोल रहा है? What does the duck want most of all in the first stanza? Does it want the same thing in the second stanza? सेकंड स्टेंजा में वही सेम थिंग है यस और नो
Yes, ma'am.
यस फर्स्ट स्टेंजा में वो अपनी विश कहना स्टार्ट करती है क्यों बोर हो गई वो एक्सप्लेन करती है एंड सेकंड स्टेंजा में वो रिक्वेस्ट करती है कि वो कहीं बाहर टहलना चाहती है ना बाकी
Yes,
सभी
yes,
कर लेंगे
ma'am.
इसको एनी प्रॉब्लम
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Look at the question number 3 very good how many times did the two go around the world? We will find the answer by the last stanza, है ना?
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
stanza का आंसर में इस क्वेश्चन के आंसर में लास्ट स्टेंजा से मिलेगा हम चेक कर लेते हैं said the kangaroo am ready and all the moonlight pale but to balance me well dear duck sit steady and quiet at the end of my tail so away they went with the hope and a bound and they hopped the whole world 3 times round they hopped the whole world 3 times round and who so happy oh who as the duck said the kangaroo so ये क्लियर है ना कि वो कितनी बार गए थे आकृति टेल द आंसर ऑन द माइक हरी बेटा
Ma'am,
यस टेल
ma'am, 3 times.
ऐसे ही 2 वर्ड में आंसर लिख देंगी यू हैड टू you have to say the full sentence उत्कर्ष
Ma'am, the duck and the kangaroo did the 3 times to go around the world.
बेटा आप थोड़ा सेंटेंस सेमी रॉन्ग कर रहे हैं रत्नेश यू टेल द आंसर
Ma'am, the
अखिलेंद्र
The duck and the kangaroo
go around 3 times.
The duck and the kangaroo went around to travel for 3 times. Abhishek?
And the two go around the world 3 times.
3 times. सभी कर लेंगे guys का answer?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Question number 4. What all did the duck do to prevent the kangaroo from catching a cold? क्या क्या किया था उसने कंगारू को ठंड से बचाने के लिए? मुस्कान?
Ma'am, the duck do to prevent the kangaroo from catching a cold that she bought 4 pairs of worsted socks which can fit in her feet and cloak for wearing, and also kept a cigar for smoking so that they don't caught by the cold.
Okay. What was the problem? क्यों मतलब प्रॉब्लम क्या थी जिसकी वजह से वो ठंड से बचने के लिए ऐसे सारी चीजें की थी? Because कंगारू ने क्या बोला था? Said that duck, यहाँ से, yes, said the kangaroo to the duck, this requires some little reflection. Perhaps on the whole it might bring me luck. And there seems but on one objection. Objection क्या था? Which is, if you will let me speak so bold, your feet are unpleasantly wet and cold and could probably give me a rheumatism. है ना? क्योंकि उसके ठंड जिसके
Yes,
जो लेग थे वो बहुत ठंड होते हैं और उसे ठंड लग सकती है जिसकी वजह से उसको बोन्स में प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है, इसको हम रूमेटिज्म कहते हैं, गठिया रोग, है ना?
गठिया रोग.
जिसकी वजह
Yes,
से
ma'am.
हम झुक नहीं पाते, हम बैठ नहीं पाते, हमारी जो नी है वो उसमें पेनिंग होता है ना? सो
Yes,
डक
ma'am.
ने क्या उसके लिए क्या प्रिवेंशन किया था? Said the duck, as I sat on the rock, I had thought over that completely. I bought 4 pairs of rusted socks, which fit my feet neatly. And to keep out the cold, I bought a cloak, and every day a cigar I'll smoke. मतलब हर तरीके से अपने आप को गर्म रखने के लिए हम क्या क्या करेंगे? सॉक्स पहन लेंगे हम अपने पैरों में, है ना? और मैंने अपने लिए एक ठंड से बचने के लिए मैंने एक क्लॉक भी ले लिया है, मीन्स लॉन्ग ड्रेस जो कि हम पहनते हैं विंटर में, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
तो आई थिंक सभी कर लेंगे इसका आंसर.
Yes, ma'am.
सभी को समझ में आ रहा ना? आकृति, प्राची, काव्यांशु?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Question number 5. When did the two start on their journey? Kavyanshu, you tell the answer. When did the two start on their journey?
Ma'am, they start the duck and the kangaroo start his journey at the night.
At the night. किस टाइप की नाइट थी? डार्क नाइट थी या फिर मून लाइट वाली थी?
Ma'am, moonlight.
हाँ, so you could say in this manner, है ना? Gaurav on the mic.
Yes, ma'am. When both kangaroo and duck start their journey in moonlight pale.
Started their journey in moonlight. Okay, Abhishek.
The two started their journey in the moonlight.
Moonlight. Okay, Prachi.
Ma'am, the two start on their journey moonlight way.
Okay, Khushi.
The two start on their journey in moonlight field.
The two started their journey in the
Moonlight field.
Okay. Yes. Question number next आपका है. Let's read between the lines. Why does the kangaroo ask for the duck's permission to speak? Think. उसने परमिशन लिया था ना, let me speak. अगर आप मुझे परमिशन दो तो मैं भी कुछ बोलूं, है ना? What was the reason, Shreya? Shreya, tell the answer.
The kangaroo asked
for the duck's permission to speak because the duck only can say quack, so kangaroo wants that the duck didn't feel bored.
Okay. Muskan, what do you think?
Ma'am, kangaroo asked for the duck's permission to speak because duck has already asked for the silent and only say quack. So kangaroo think that if I will speak by own, then she will feel bored.
Yes, okay. Abhishek, what do you think?
And the kangaroo asked for the duck's permission because the duck had said to be quiet and said for quack. So the kangaroo said to the duck to speak in bold, and by this they can travel the world with happiness.
Yes, okay. Ratnesh? I think Ratnesh disconnect हो चुके हैं. Okay, Kavanshi, what do you think?
Ma'am, I think the kangaroo asked for duck's permission to speak because they were the happy traveling, not boring travel.
अच्छा बेटा सेंटेंस समिंग अप सही से नहीं करते. ओके. गौरव, व्हाट डू यू थिंक?
I think that the kangaroo asked the duck permission to speak because the duck only said quack, so kangaroo not wants to bore the duck, so he wants duck permission to speak.
ओके, ठीक है. तो आई थिंक सभी कर लेंगे ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आपका है, वेयर डज द डक सिट? व्हाई? हाउ एल्स कुड द डक हैव ट्रेवल्ड द वर्ल्ड विद द कंगारू? How else could the duck have traveled the world with the kangaroo? Prachi?
And the duck sit kangaroo back because that he can balance her boat and have traveled the world with the kangaroo back.
बेटा आपकी आवाज भनक के आ रही है. आई थिंक नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है आपके यहाँ. श्रेया?
Ma'am, the duck sit on the tail of kangaroo because kangaroo can balance her easily and they can travel the world with happily.
बेटा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन तो वेयर डज द कंगारू शीट? कंगारू कहाँ बैठी एंड व्हाई? व्हाट वाज द रीजन उसको अपनी सिटिंग प्लेस वो चीज चूज करने का? एंड द सेकंड क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग दैट हाउ एल्स कुड द डक हैव ट्रेवल्ड द वर्ल्ड विद द कंगारू? मीन्स वर्ल्ड, पूरी वर्ल्ड में वो ट्रेवल की थी कंगारू के साथ, इसके अतिरिक्त और वो कहाँ जा सकती थी? अभिषेक?
Then the duck sit on the back of the kangaroo because by this the kangaroo can make the balance, and the duck have traveled the world with the kangaroo like the highest plateaus, mountains and gardens.
Okay, you think that she could go with kangaroo to the higher mountain peak? Okay. Muskan, what do you think?
And the duck sit at the back of the kangaroo because by that the kangaroo can balance his body, and the duck and the kangaroo can travel across the world in the mountains and the snow for their enjoy.
Okay, Gaurav?
I think that the duck sit on the kangaroo's back because the kangaroo still his balance, and the duck had traveled the whole world to the kangaroo, to the rainfalls and the mountains.
Okay, Kavanshu? Okay, उत्कर्ष बेटा टेल. हाँ ठीक है. Kavanchu tell.
Ma'am, the When the ducks had traveled the world with the kangaroo because he wanted to travel in the world.
वर्ड के अतिरिक्त वो कहाँ जा सकती थी? वो पूरे वर्ड में राउंड करके आई थी, लेकिन और भी वो कहीं जा सकती थी? आप क्या सोचते हैं? उत्कर्ष, यू टेल.
When the duck sit kangaroo tail because he can balance his body and they is travel whole world 3 times with enjoy.
Okay, Akhilendra, what do you think? Beta Akhilendra, you tell.
Ma'am, the duck sit on the kangaroo's tail because the duck travel in the world.
Means the duck sat on the kangaroo's back so that she could keep balance, and also kangaroo could keep balance of his body, है ना? ये तो रिक्वेस्ट किया था किस तरीके से बैठा जिससे मैं अपने बॉडी का जो बैलेंस है वो सही से रख सकूं, है ना? And what do you think where she could travel with kangaroo? कहाँ जा सकती थी वर्ड के अतिरिक्त? So I think जैसे कि वो रिवर्स पे जा सकती थी. She could go for the rivers, mountain peaks and the broad sky, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I think सभी कर लेंगे इसको भी easily.
Yes, ma'am.
Look at the
Yes, ma'am.
next question. What other problems do you think they might have faced? Suggest a solution also. क्या problems और भी आ सकती थी दोनों में? Yes, खुशी, tell.
I think they faced many problems like tiredness during travel, so they should take a break.
मतलब they would feel tiredness, okay? Abhishek?
And the other problem that they can face that they can feel tiredness after going on long distance, so they can take rest in the bank of the pond or big rivers.
Okay, मतलब you think that they could tired, okay, so they should rest for somewhere else, okay? Gaurav, what do you think? क्या problem हो सकती थी?
I think that they might have faced problem of tiredness because the duck has sit on the kangaroo's back, so his back was having paining. So I think that they would rest on a place.
Shreya? श्रेया की आवाज नहीं आ रही है. मुस्कान, you tell.
I think they have faced many problems like tiredness during traveling, and if they want to climb on the mountain, they might have faced problems. So for this they need to take rest and climb on the mountain slowly.
Okay. So I think ये भी easy है. You can do. कर सकते हैं, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's go beyond the poem. Poem से हटकर कुछ हम सीखेंगे इसमें. The last line of the poem tell us that the duck and the kangaroo were the happiest creature in the world. लगता है कि नहीं? Look at the last line.
Yes,
है ना?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So they show away. They went with a hop and bound, and they hopped the whole world 3 times around. And who's so happy? Oh, who? Think everyone. At the duck and the kangaroo. I think the duck and the kangaroo are the happiest creature of the world. है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
तो आपने देखा यहाँ पे कि लास्ट लाइन पोयम का ये बताता है कि डक एंड कंगारू जो थे वो वर्ल्ड के सबसे ज्यादा हैप्पी क्रिएचर थे. द डक वाज हैप्पी बिकॉज इट हैड ऑलवेज वांटेड टू ट्रैवल, है ना? इसलिए हैप्पी थी कि वो हमेशा ट्रैवल करना चाहती थी और आज वो ट्रैवल कर सकी। एंड व्हाट डू यू थिंक द कंगारू वाज हैप्पी? आपको डक की हैप्पीनेस तो समझ में आती है कि वो बोर हो चुकी थी, सो शी वांट टू गो समवेयर एल्स, बट व्हाट डू यू थिंक व्हाई कंगारू वाज हैप्पी?
Yes, ma'am.
अखिलेंद्र, थिंक व्हाट एवर यू यू कैन थिंक, आपको क्या लगता है वो क्यों कंगारू क्यों हैप्पी रहा होगा? सपोज दैट आप अपने तरीके से फील कर सकते हैं, सपोज दैट यू हैव ऑल द थिंग्स, है ना, you can enjoy all the things whatever you had, and you are able to find your dream, and you are able to find your wish whatever you want to have, मीन्स आप जो कुछ भी पाना चाहते हैं वो सारी चीजें आपके पास है, but you help someone else who haven't this thing but he or she want to have this, so आपको भी तो हैप्पीनेस फील होगी ना उसकी हेल्प करके।
Yes, ma'am.
कोई ऐसा
Yes, ma'am.
पर्सन जिसके पास वो चीज नहीं है, आप उसको वो चीज देकर जो उसको खुशियां देते हो, जो हैप्पीनेस देते हो, उससे आपको भी तो हैप्पीनेस होगा, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
सो व्हाट डू थिंक मुस्कान, कंगारू क्यों हैप्पी था?
Ma'am, I think the kangaroo was happy because he have helped the duck and he have found a new best friend in the form of duck, and now he can pass his time with the duck happily.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। अभिषेक, व्हाट डू थिंक?
Ma'am, I think the kangaroo was happy because the kangaroo get a friend duck, a small creature, and had chance to go on ride with a small creature like duck, and he was also happy because he always hope here or there so he can go on ride for with the duck.
ओके गौरव,
I think the kangaroo was happy because the kangaroo think that he had fulfilled the duck's wishes and he had find a friend like a duck, so he would travel the whole world with the duck and not bored, not were alone.
ओके खुशी,
I think the kangaroo was happy because he found a new friend as a duck, and both are spent passing time with each other and not feel alone.
ओके सो आई थिंक सभी को पता चल गया होगा ना कि कंगारू क्यों हैप्पी रहा होगा, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, look at the question number 2. Imagine you are in the duck's place. आप सभी अपने आप को डक बन के फील करना, okay? Imagine you are in the duck's place and you have to convince the kangaroo. जिस तरीके से डक ने कन्विंस किया था कंगारू को, है ना, यू आर वेरी गुड, वेरी जॉर्जियस, है ना, यू कुड ट्रैवल द होल वर्ल्ड, यू कुड फ्लाई, है ना, इस तरीके से बोल बोल के अप्रिशिएट कर रही थी ना डक।
Yes, ma'am.
So also you have to be duck and also you have to convince the kangaroo. अब अपने फ्रेंड को कंगारू बना लेना और आप डक बन जाना, ओके? फील कर लेना, इमेजिन करना सभी, and list 3 more reason why it would be good for kangaroo to take you along. और आपको 3 रीजन देना पड़ेगा कि कंगारू के साथ ट्रैवलिंग पे जाने में ये फनी इंसिडेंट हो सकता है, ऐसा क्या 3 रीजन और भी हो सकता है क्यों कंगारू के साथ ट्रैवलिंग पे जाना अच्छा होगा। 3 रीजन आपको सर्च करने हैं, कर लेंगे?
Yes, ma'am.
अभिषेक,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
व्हाट डू थिंक?
Ma'am, if I was in the duck's place, I have convinced the kangaroo by saying that you can hope very good and you also travel the whole world many times, and you are good for traveling. The three reason why that is good for the kangaroo to take me along, because the kangaroo can hope with good, because he have tried many times, because he always hope here or there.
Okay, Shreya. Shreya नहीं है. Okay, अब Muskan, what do you think?
Ma'am, if I were in the duck's place, I have to convenience the kangaroo. So I will say that you are a big creatures and you can see any things which is at the high place, and you can hope the big rocks. So we will not face any problem in the traveling.
Okay, good. So I think सभी कर लेंगे इसको, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके बेटा, तो सभी को सारे क्वेश्चन सभी को अच्छे से समझ में आ गए?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, सो इट्स योर होमवर्क फॉर टुडे, है ना? हम नेक्स्ट सेशन में वोकैबुलरी पार्ट पढ़ेंगे. ओके?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
आज
ma'am.
के लिए एंड करते
Yes,
हैं.
ma'am.
बाय एवरीवन.
Bye, ma'am.
Ma'am, goodbye.
Bye, ma'am.
गुड बाय. टेक केयर बेटा.